All right, what's up everybody? It's Marcus Clarke here at Johnston RV Center, home of the lifetime warranty. Checking out one of our best-selling fifth wheels, the Sandpiper 4002FB. This is a great model if you have grown children or if you just have adults staying with you. But let's check this thing out and see why it's one of our best sellers. Up here on the front, you do have a nice wide open pass-through storage. You can put lawn chairs, griddles, grills, fire pits, totes, whatever you want to in there. It's got plenty of space for that. It's easy to clean. There's plug-ins, motion-activated lights. Stepping this way, you have your 30-inch doorway. They're giving you the nice big handle these days. And then, of course, you do have the strut assist steps. Makes it really easy to adjust. They're going to hold themselves in place. Takes away some of that weight. So that way you're not hurting your back. You're trying to relax. But let's come back here and check out the rear. This unit will come with a griddle that mounts back here on the rear, a little outdoor kitchen style. Back to the back, there's a little surprise. You have your rear entry. This will be for your guest room. This does go into their bathroom, which is a full bathroom, toilet, and shower. And then on this side, you'll have all your sewer hookups, your power connections, all that good stuff. So stepping in, back here in the rear, you will have your guest bathroom, porcelain toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, somewhere to store all your linens. And you do have your shower with a small tub. Perfect for washing the dog. If you've got toddlers staying with you, give them a bath. Really good stuff happening in here. So here we are in the guest room. This will have your queen size bed with storage underneath, and that's a really good storage compartment. Good place to put your off-season clothes, whatever you want to. Besides your bed, you will have plug-ins on each side, reading lights, all that good stuff, and then across you've got your spot for your TV, hanging storage, linen drawers, all that good stuff. Let's move to the kitchen. So here we are in the kitchen. Great colors that they're using in here. Doing the two-tone with the wood and the white cabinets really contrast it. You do get solid surface countertops, metal faucet, metal sink. You're gonna have your table over here that has a bench that doubles as storage as well. Recliners for mom and dad. Nice 50-inch smart TV. JBL sound system so you can have a party. Fireplace for electric heat. Nice large oven, residential chef mic. Then you do have your double door 12-volt refrigerator to keep all your groceries cold. And then, say, that's not a big pantry. Guess what? You got two. Everyone loves a hidden pantry. Quadruples your amount of storage. You've got somewhere for a broom, mop, spices, DVDs, whatever you want to put in there. It's got the space. Before we move to the front, we're going to finish up in the back. Up here, you will have your loft, a great space for extra guests, kiddos, or just storage. It can be an attic, why not? All right, so let's move up to the front. Got the nice floating steps. Here in your bathroom, you will have a one-piece fiberglass shower with the bamboo stool. So, I like to sit down, shave my legs, have a good relaxing time. Porcelain toilet, of course, it's got the big old fart fan. Then you do have some storage for your towels, washcloths, that kind of stuff. Into your master bedroom, you'll have your queen bed in here as well with storage underneath it. Chest of drawers, spot for your TV. You will have washer and dryer prep in this unit. Good storage in your closet. You can hang stuff up. You got shoe storage, and it will come with the King Wi-Fi router that you can activate as a hotspot. So yeah, that wraps it up on this Sandpiper 4002FB. Come by, check it out, and get you a camper with a lifetime warranty.